transplantation of tissues or organs fails often due to non-acceptance by the patient's body. Now you have to identify the type of immune response that is responsible for such rejections. Option A, cell-mediated immune response. Now transplant rejection occurs due to the activation of the T cell of the recipient, which recognizes the transplanted tissue or organ as foreign and start attacking it. So this is the key mechanism of cell-mediated immunity. Hence, it is the correct answer. Option B, hormonal immune response. It is incorrect because there is no such thing as hormonal immune response. Option C, physiological immune response. Now, while physiological processes may play an important role in immune response, but this term does not specifically describe the rejection mechanism involved in transplantation. Hence, it is incorrect. Option D, autoimmune response. It is incorrect because autoimmune response involves the immune system attacking the body's own tissues due to loss of self-tolerance.